Hi everyone, it's Miss B. I want to give a big shout out to everyone watching in Hawaii, Ohio State, UNT, ASU, and Gonzaga. Now make sure if you don't see your group here, you go look for Mr. Mendoza's video or Miss Lara's video. This week, we're going to be going over lessons 26 through 30. Before we start anything in our packet, let's go over some sounds. Now you'll see which sound under when I'm moving the mouse just like this. Look how I moved from one sound to another. Okay, so we are starting right here with this sound. Listen. Your turn. Get ready. Yes. Listen. Oh. Your turn. Get ready. Yes. Oh. Awesome job. Listen. Your turn. Get ready. Yes. Listen. Your turn. Get ready. Yes. Listen. J. Your turn. Get ready. Yes. J. Listen. Your turn. Get ready. Yes. Listen. This is our next sound right here. Listen. Your turn. Get ready. Yes. Listen. Your turn. Get ready. Yes. Listen. Your turn. Get ready. Yes. Next sound, right here, this is our sound. Listen. Ing. Your turn. Get ready. Yes. Ing. Listen. Okay. Yee. Yee. Your turn. Get ready. Yes. Yee. Awesome job saying all the sounds. Now let's move on to our packet. I want everyone to open their packet to story 2-6. Look for story 26 in your packet. Go ahead and press pause while you look for your story 26. Once you have it ready, press play. Okay, now that we're on story 26, I'm going to read the story one time and then you will read it 2 times by yourself. So starting from the title, we're tracking the title. Dawn painted and painted. Everyone, what did Dawn do? Get ready. Yes, Dawn painted and painted. Going on to tracking the first sentence. What did Dawn like to ask? What did he do in the yard? What did he start to paint? Who asked him what he was doing with his bike? His sister said, "That looks like fun." So she got a paintbrush and started to paint Dawn's bike. Everyone, what did she do? Get ready. Yes, right here, she got a paintbrush and started to paint Dawn's bike. Awesome. Moving on. Dawn and his sister painted the bike. And then Dawn said, "Why don't we paint the sidewalk?" Everyone, what did Dawn say? Get ready. Yes, Don said, "Why don't we paint the sidewalk?" What did he say? So they painted the sidewalk. What did they do? Then they painted the steps to Don's home. Then they painted a rock, and then they painted each other. Where we are right here. Then Don's mom went into the yard. She was mad. She said, "You painted the bikes, the steps, the rock, and each other." What did she say? Everyone, so thinking about what the mom said, going back, starting right here, she said, "You painted the bike." That's one thing. The steps, the rock, and each other. They painted 4 things. What do you think she did to Don and his sister? The end. Now we are going to look at the picture. Wow. Tell me some things you know, thinking about some things that you notice here in the picture. I notice that they are painting each other just like the mom said. Oh, I also noticed that they painted the steps just like the mom said. Here's the mom, and she's coming over to talk to Don and his sister. Okay, now go ahead and read this story, this same story, story 2:6, by yourself 2 times. And then when you're finished, press play again so we can go over the worksheet. So go ahead and hit pause and then press play when you are ready to start the worksheet. Awesome job. You already read the story 2 times. Now let's go over the worksheet. Number 1. What did Don like to ask? What did Don like to ask? Did he like to ask why, when, or where? Thinking about what did Don like to ask? Number 2. Who asked him what he was doing with his bike? Was it his brother, his mother, or his sister? Thinking about who asked him what he was doing with his bike? His brother, his mother, or his sister? Number 1. Make in the circle. So if we are going to make in the circle, this is inside of the circle. Number 2. Make over the circle. Everyone showing me over. Awesome job. This is over. So this is over, so we are going to put over the circle. Number 3. Make under the circle. Everyone show me under. Awesome job. This is under the circle. Moving on. Number 1. Make over the box. Everyone show me over one more time. Awesome job. This is over the box. Awesome job, everybody. Number 2. Make under the box. Everyone showing me under. Awesome job. This is under the box. Number 3. Make in the box. Everyone showing me in the box. Awesome job. This is in the box. Moving on to the next page, waiting for everyone to get there. Awesome job. Now right here, we're writing the sentence. Don painted and painted. Make sure when you're writing, you write nice and neat, and you do not forget to finger space. Writing, Don painted and painted. Now we are moving on to the bottom. So we are going to read this little story, these little 3 sentences, and answer these 2 questions. So starting from right here. Sam went fishing at the lake. He was at the lake for a little time. He came back with 5 fish. Let's read that one more time. Sam went fishing at the lake. Everyone, what did Sam do? Get ready. Yes, Sam went fishing at the lake. He was at the lake for a little time. How long was he at the lake for? Get ready. Yes, he was at the lake for a little time. He came back with 5 fish. Everyone, how many fish did Sam come back with? Yes, 5 fish. Awesome job. Reading the questions now. Number 1. Sam went blank at the lake. Sam went blank at the lake. Was it swimming, hunting, or fishing? Thinking about what Sam did at the lake. Number 2. He came back with blank fish. Thinking about how many fish he came back with. He came back with blank fish. Was it 5 fish, big fish, or 9 fish? Moving on to this last part of the worksheet. I'm going to go ahead and start reading it with you. Spot liked to eat meat, and Spot ate bones. Spot had lots of bones. Reading it one more time. Spot liked to eat meat, and Spot ate bones. Spot had lots of bones. Question number 1. Blank liked to eat meat. Everyone, who liked to eat meat? Was it Pot, Spot, or Stop? Thinking about your answer. Number 2. Spot had a blank of bones. Spot had a blank of bones. Spot had a room of bones. Spot had a tub of bones. Spot had a lot of bones. Thinking about your answer and circling the correct answer.